Good morning and welcome to MarineMax Island Marine, Ocean View, New Jersey. Today, we're going to take a look at our trade, a 2016 257 Grady-White Fisherman. This is our trade, pair of twin 200 4-stroke Yamahas on the back. We'll take a look at the boat from the outside, we'll go to the inside, we'll take a walk through. I'll point out some things before we go inside. The boat does have outriggers, Simrad radar on top, nice weather enclosure, windshield with a wiper. It's a white boat with the black that goes to green stripe, black bottom. We'll repaint the bottom. It needs to be a little touch up, but I do want to show you that the boat does have underwater lights. Does have the large transducer, boarding ladder, walk-through transom, picture of the 4-rod rocket launcher on the back of the T-top, 4-rod rocket launcher on the back of the helm, motors, props, skegs in very good condition. Looks like this man didn't run aground. Kind of rare in our area. Let's go inside and take a look. As we come in our 257 Grady, we'll see the walk-through transom door. This boat does have the remote engine flush, the fish box, live well, a freshwater handheld shower, aft seat in the cockpit, cup holders, Grady-White rod holders in the gunnels. Does have rod storage, tow rail on the side, cord goes under the seat. Very nice job with the electronics. All Simrad dual GPS fish finder plotters, Simrad VHF, two of them. Fusion stereo, Yamaha controls, your trim tabs, push button starts, your Yamaha fuel management system engages, Edson wheel with a tilt helm, very nice enclosure. There is a table for up front of the helm, that's where it mounts. Bolster style seating, cockpit combing, head with storage. The stereo mainframe is there, cushions forward, storage under on both sides, anchor forward. Boat is seating in front of the helm. Boat is in very good condition. No nicks, no scrapes, no. Boat looks very nice. Underneath the hardtop, it is white. There's your outrigger releases. There's your Simrad. I'll reach up there. Outriggers on top. Boat is here in Ocean View, New Jersey. It's in our yard. Looks like a really fun center console. Go online, send us an email, call us. Thank you.